Low float GPUS stock is showing a lot of strength in this pre-market session of today, the 5th of May 2025. The underlying trend is a bearish one. I think the company disclosed some impressive earnings outcomes. It says here Hyperscale data posts a strong Q1 revenue, sets 2025 guidance, announces $25 million in revenue for Q1 2025, provides a full year guidance of 115 to $125 billion. Yeah, that is what we are looking at right now. And we can see there's an intraday high of 4.66 on its daily chart. That also turns out to be a couple of Fibonacci projections that, yeah, somewhere around here, they didn't print on its way down, on its way down. You see, on the underlying trend is a bearish one on it, especially on the short term, on the intermediate and short term. So these are projections. They seem to be the reason, amongst other things, why it couldn't go any further. Where it's currently trading at right now, and based on with reference to this daily chart, I think there's also a resistance there as well. 3 point down here. Let's see. Yeah, 3 point. Yeah, there's a resistance there around. Okay, it has broken through 3.3. So 3 point. Yeah, somewhere around there. But in any case, the probability of it printing high highs is there, but in the very short time, yes, there it's there short and intermediate period. The probability, or rather, with reference to its short and intermediate period, because it's just been constantly printing lower lows. So um, the probabilities are not very high. They wouldn't be very high, but they're still there, But at the same time, you can see there's a lot of resistance littered all the way up, but all of these are on its daily chart. The market hasn't opened yet, so we have to have a look at its four. Okay, before we do that, let's see whether we have upper projections. Let's see projections that are higher than what we have now. No. Okay, let's just leave this. We'll go. Let's go to the 4 hour chart, which is much more. Which is alive at the moment. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, we have a rejection there at 4.66. Yeah, here it's saying 4.11. Let's see now. Extrapolation is that no, it's not going to go any higher. We're going to see a correction all the way towards where it's spiking from, by Tuesday the 13th of May, and after that it might pivot. But all of these are subject to change. There's no guarantee that this will be what will happen. And what we can also say is that there's a good chance that a correction is may still be maintained, even if it pivots at this price, or this, or even if it doesn't retrace to the lows of 1.65, and pivot somewhere, anywhere. I mean, somewhere up here, somewhere around maybe $2.6, and prints high highs. You know, expect a correction to occur anyway. That's naturally what you should expect. And let's see now. In terms of projections, we have nothing higher than what we have on the cards. Rather, a downward projection of 2.22. So impressive earnings outcomes on the impressive earnings outcomes. The underlying trend is seriously bearish, and has a low float stock, and in as much as its guidance is expected to look good, to be way better than what the earnings are. Yes, we have to be careful. It's not exactly an investment grade stock. Just be careful out there. Further weakness is expected, even though that may not be the case. But it's a low float stock as well. Things can happen. But you don't have to rely on that. So if we take this high of 4.66, and let's see, 4.66, and then take this low of let's see what we have here, 4.66, and this low of Let's see whether we can get it. Yeah, 4.66, and take this low of 3.11. We might, let's see, 3.11. No, okay, let's see, it's 4.66 and 4.41. 4.66 and 4.41. We can take this too. We'll have a difference of, okay, 4.66 and 4.44. Let's see. We'll have a difference of 0.22. We can use that to extrapolate, because this is just because it has a low float. 0.22 multiplied by 1.618. Add that to the current price of 3.29. We have 3.65. 3.65 for, yeah, let's see, 3.65. Yeah, let's see, 0.355 multiplied by 2.618. Add that to the current price of 3.34. We have 4.26. Sorry, I have to correct myself. I seems I didn't get that right. 1.6. Yeah, okay, the first projection is actually 3.90. 3.90. Second one, let's see, 3.55. Sorry, 0.355 multiplied by 2.618. Add that to the current price of 3.33. We have 4.26. 4.26. There's no guarantee that these projections will print. Point 3.618. Okay, yeah, 4.60. So we have three projections: 3.90, 4.26, 4.60. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart here and see where they fit in. Yeah, okay, see we have 4.60 somewhere around here. The sort of levels it was trading at as of early February. Well, you could say in the short term those sort of prices can happen, but maybe not anytime soon. Not in the maybe not next week, or not maybe not this week. But they are indeed prices that can possibly print. Given that it's a low float stock. Yeah, just see what you make of GPUS stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.